Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is May 12th, 2020. We're doing something totally different here. This one here is a 1983 Tohatsu 15 horse, from what I can figure out. Anyway, I found this motor on Craigslist and cheap, 20 bucks. And I figured, it's a 15 short tiller. Let's give it a try. Never played with one before. So anyway, I picked it up, brought it home, and it had no spark, no ignition in it. So first I grafted OMC power pack and ignition coils onto it, and I got it to run. And it ran, and it pumped, and it shifted, but it had no power. The timing just wouldn't come up on it. So I've been doing some digging around for a while, and the parts company that I buy all my used parts from, they had a 99 Nissan sitting there that had good ignition in it. So I, bought all the ignition system off of that motor and put it on this one. It's a little bit different, but it's basically the same. Everything bolted on. And we're giving it a run. And I have to say, I'm kind of impressed. It actually runs pretty nice. A little show on this one. I had to choke it to shut it off. I haven't got a stop switch rigged up on it yet. So it might take a little bit to get it fired up, but it runs pretty nice. Really nice siding to it. And reverse. Back in the forward. It's just something different, but it seems to run pretty good. I think I'm just going to change the oil in the gear case on it, figure out a stop switch, and rig up an actual choke lever to it, because that's not hooked up to anything. And maybe give it a ride on the boat. So it's definitely something different. From what I understand, they just were not in the North American market very much. Parts are pretty near impossible, it seems like, to find for it. But we got this one running. So anyway, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.